Okay, in this example, the table shows the depth of a river X months after a monsoon season ends. A, they want you to make a scatter plot of the data and draw a line of fit. B, they want you to write an equation of the line of fit. C, they want you to interpret the slope and the y-intercept of the line of fit. And then D, they want you to predict the depth in month 9. So to start off with, you plot the points in a coordinate plane. The scatter plot shows a negative linear relationship. So you draw a line that is close to the data points and try to have as many points above the line as below it. So basically they took this as your X and this is your Y. They put months down here and depth here. And they put 0 and 20, 1 and 19, and they scattered it all down here. And you can see from the top to the bottom, it looks like a decrease rather than an increase line. So then what you do is you see all these dots and you try to use a piece of spaghetti or whatever you use to lay there and see how many points you can get on the line, an actual line that you draw a straight edge. A piece of spaghetti is easy because you can see stuff on both sides of it. So you lay that down and you try to get as many on this side of it as on this side of it and some on the line if possible. And so there's a good line of fit right there. So there's a scatter plot with a line of fit. B, we're saying that the line passes through 2 points. We found an actual point here, which was 5, 10, and an actual point here, which was 6, 8. Knowing that it's 6, 8, and 5, 10. So when you know the line that passes through it, then of course do you remember to do y equals mx plus b. So you're going to have to find the change in y over the change in x, the rise over the run. So it's your 10 minus your 8 is 2, your 5 minus your 6 is a negative 1, or the other way around gave you a negative 2 and a 1. So your slope is going downhill at a negative 2 pace. So you go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Oh, this is by 2, so down 2 over 1. So it is 2s, yeah, down 2 over 1. So you got your negative 2 slope. So you wrote the equation. We haven't got the equation yet. We just got the slope, which is negative 2. So y equals mx plus b. You know that y, the m, is the slope. That's your negative 2x plus your b. It goes to the point 20. And you know that because you had 0, 20 to start with, so you know it crosses the y at 20. So you knew the y-intercept, you were looking for the slope, and then a y equals m, which is this, x plus b, which is this. So if you remember that from a long time ago, perfect. C then says to interpret the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is negative 2 and the y-intercept is 20, so the depth of the river is 20 feet at the end of the monsoon season and decreases at 2 feet per month. That's what that means. Decreases 2 feet per month, and this is where the depth of the river is at the end of the monsoon. To predict the depth in month 9, substitute 9 in for x. X is your month. Remember, you can look over here. So your month is x. So you put month 9 in there. So it's negative 18 plus 20. And you should get 2 feet. The depth in month 9 should be about 2 feet. If you think you understand this one, you'll be able to click next to try one on your own. Be ready with paper to draw.